Hello, sir.
Hello.
What is your name, sir?
My name is Mohammed Shohelovi. You can call me Shohel as it is my nickname.
Okay, Sohel. Your ID number?
My ID number is 3241.
3241. Okay, thank you, sir. This is Nur Farazi, your examiner, and examiner ID number is 1300. Okay, so thank you. Where are you from, sir?
I am originally from Borishal. It is in the southern part of Bangladesh, but currently I live in Dhaka at Mohammadpur.
Okay, how many far distance in Dhaka to Borishal?
It probably 230 kilometers, and there are lots of way I can reach there by launch, bus. So there are lots of way, I think.
Okay, what is the famous for of your district?
There are so many historical places like Durga Shagor and Ulania Jamidar Bari. It's very well-known places for tourists and also the local people. And I think the cultural vibe and the traditional cuisine is really famous for everyone.
Okay, so what is the earning person of your family?
My father is the main earning person of my family, and he's the businessman. I think also my mother is also work in a field. Also, he is a businesswoman.
Okay, that's great. Do you travel? Do you
Yes,
like travel?
yes, I am very fascinated about traveling. And last month I went Cox's Bazar, and it was my great experience to because there are lots of scenic beauty there, and I think everyone like to go to the place.
When you get leisure time, what what do you do?
Well, in my free time, I like to do reading and watching films, and I like to read thrillers type book. That is my very favorite. I feel really relaxed that time.
Okay. Do you like listening music?
Yes, obviously, I am fascinated about music, and
Which kinds of music do you like most?
traditional and folk music is my favorite. And when I get free time, I like to listen to music.
Okay. Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you for joining us.
Okay.
Thank you.